So in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to simulate the dht22 sensor, or simply temperature and humidity sensor, with that of esp32. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to go to the Google, and here we will write Vocvi. Vocvi is an online simulation platform with the help of which we can simulate nearly every type of circuit with multiple microcontrollers. So drag it out and see that where it is written esp32. Click on it and we got our coding window. Now we have on the right hand side we have this esp32 and circuit window, and on left hand side you can see the coding window. Now click on this addition sign. Now this is our sign, and now dht22. Now you can see that there are 4 pins of this dht22 sensor. Okay, now we have to connect VCC pin of the sensor with that of 3 volt or 3.3 volt pin of esp32. Okay, now what about this ground pin? Ground pin must be connected with the ground pin of esp32. Now there is one pin which is called as NC, normally closed, so we are not supposed to use it out. Okay, leave it. And STA pin must be connected with D4. Okay, you can write D4. After this has been done, now we will write what's called as a library, that is called as hash include dht.h. okay, this is our main library via which we can fetch certain functions. Okay, so we can write hash define dht underscore pin 4. Okay, so now we have declared the pin number 4 as dht underscore pin. Now wherever we have written this thing, it means digital pin 4 of the esp32. Okay, so now we need to write hash define dht underscore type dht22. Now we have defined, or we have equalized a dht type to dht22. Okay, now dht. Okay, here we can write dht underscore pin comma dht underscore type. Okay, now what is this thing? dht underscore pin and dht underscore type. So what is meant by this? dht is actually class, and dht simple is the object of that specific class, and in parameter brackets we have 2 parameters, that is that what sort of dht, that which pin on which we have connected dht, okay, sensor, and we have connected dht22, that is which type, because there are certain other types like dht11 and some other types. So we need to specify a unique type, and here we have defined it as dht22. So dht type means dht22. So this is why it's set up. Now we have declared serial.begin as 11520. This is the baud rate. Okay, and we need to move it out. Okay, that is serial.println. Now here we will write dht.begin. Okay, now in while loop we need to declare one variable so that we can store the humidity value in it, okay, because obviously we need to. So float humid means that this humid is now a variable, or float data means that it can store decimal point numbers. So float and humid, and here we will write dht dot read humidity, okay. So read humidity, okay, dot read humidity, okay. So dht dot read humidity, okay. So this is function, and this function actually belongs to this thing, this class. Actually this function is the part of this class, and with the help of this object we can fetch this function, okay. And after reading humidity, the value of humidity will be assigned to this humid variable. So it will be stored inside this humid variable. Now we will write float temp, again one more variable, dht dot read temperature, okay. Means that now this read temperature function, okay, will be stored inside this temp, okay. Means that what is the temperature, it will be stored inside this temp variable, okay. So now we need to write serial.println, means that we want to write on serial monitor temperature value is equal to, and we also need to write temperature value and here temp, okay. Temperature value and humidity value, and here we can write humid. Okay, now we will run it out, and we will see that either our values will be displayed on the serial monitor, and yes, it is. Our temperature is 24 degrees Celsius, and now we can increase the temperature if we want. Now our temperature is 55. We can decrease it out, and we have decreased the humidity to 22%. So in this way we can interface our dht22 sensor with that of esp32. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.